My name is Farrah Fishman. I work for the Florida Department of Health, Charlotte County, and today I'm going to be talking about child passenger safety. We partner with Safe Kids Southwest Florida to bring this presentation to you. So what's the big deal? Why are we here? Making a difference, saving lives. Florida misuse rate of child passenger safety seats is 50 to 93%. Proper car seat use decreases risk of injury by 71 to 82%, and it decreases risk of death by 28%. Vehicle collisions, crash formula. So if you are going down the road and you have your 10-pound baby on your lap and you are going at a rate of speed of 30 miles per hour and you get in a crash, that is like having a 300-pound baby on your lap. Child passenger safety seats. Are all car seats the same? All car seats manufactured and sold in the United States are required to meet the Florida Motor Vehicle Standard 213. Federal Motor Vehicle Standard 213, this standard requires manufacturers to crash test bench seat 30 miles per hour. Every car seat comes with a registration card. You are to fill in this registration card and send it to the car seat manufacturer. If there is a recall on your car seat, they will notify you. Also, all car seats come with an instruction manual, and you want to have that with you at all times. Also, there is labeling on the car seat. You always want to leave all the labeling on the car seat at all times. Again, it's important to fill out and mail your registration card. This information allows the car seat manufacturer to notify you if a recall occurs. If you misplaced your registration card, you can call or log in to the manufacturer's website to register your seat. Instruction manual. Again, every car seat is equipped with an instruction manual and a location to store the manual on the car seat. Every car seat has the weight and height requirements. You want to follow the manufacturer's recommendations for the weight and height requirements. There are two different belt paths on this car seat. So right here is the rear-facing car seat belt path. Right here is the forward-facing belt path. Federal Motor Vehicle Standard 213. This standard requires manufacturers to display specific labeling on car seats. So you have the date of manufacture, the model number, and the expiration date. Care instructions. You always want to refer to your owner's manual for the care instructions of your car seat. Common recommendations are to hand wash, use a mild antibacterial soap, air dry, no harsh detergents, and no dryers. You always want to know the history of your car seat. Are you the original owner? Did you purchase your seat at a consignment shop or a garage sale? If your seat is provided by a friend or relative, do you know if the car seat was cared for properly or if all the parts of the seat are there? Use of a car seat after collision. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration criteria to identify a minor crash. A crash is considered minor and replacement of your seat is not necessary if all 5 criteria are met. Number 1, visual inspection does not reveal any cracks or deformities. Number 2, the vehicle with the car seat can be driven from the collision scene. 3, the vehicle door nearest to the car seat is undamaged. 4, there are no injuries to any occupants. And 5, the airbags did not deploy. Non-regulated products. Non-regulated products are not covered in the Federal Motor Vehicle Standard. A non-regulated product is anything you add to your car seat or vehicle that was not manufactured by the make and model of your car seat, such as head bumpers, harness strap wraps, and mirrors. Non-regulated products also include window shades and toys. Newborns and infants. Minimum standard rear facing. Pediatricians advise keep babies rear facing until at least 2 years old. Best practice, keep your child in the seat until the height and weight limit is reached. Securing your baby rear facing in a car seat. Baby should be to the back of the car seat without a gap between the car seat and the baby. You want to choose the harness strap slot, which allow the straps at or below the baby's shoulders. Securing baby rear facing in car seat, retainer clip located at armpit level. The harness strap should be snug, flat, no slack, but comfortable for the baby. Securing baby rear facing in car seat, installed in the vehicle at a 30 to 45 degree angle. Check manufacturer's recommendations for the carry handle. Most infant carriers have weight capacity of 20 to 22 pounds. Weight capacity of 20 to 22 pounds. Most children exceed the weight limit in rear-facing carrier models before they turn 1 year old. Some manufacturers are changing that, and they've increased the weight limit in the carriers to 30 to 35 pounds. Convertible car seats. The convertible car seat usually has a rear-facing weight capacity of 30 to 35 pounds. The convertible seat will turn to the forward-facing position once the child exceeds the weight capacity for rear-facing. 2 different belt paths. Forward-facing position, only one harness position changed. Harness strap should now be positioned at or above the shoulders. So again, rear facing is at or below, forward facing is at or above. The retainer clip still at armpit level, harness straps flat, no snug, no slack, and comfortable for the child. Forward facing combination car seat. Most have a weight capacity from 20 to 80 pounds. 3-in-1 car seats can have weight ranges from 5 pounds to 100 pounds. Use a 5-point harness until the child exceeds the harness weight limit, then utilize the lap shoulder belt with the car seat for belt positioning booster. Belt positioning booster seats. Most belt positioning booster seats have a weight capacity range of approximately 30 to 100 pounds. There's 2 types. There's a backless and a high back booster. Why can't my child ride in the vehicle with the lap shoulder belt? Adult seat belts are manufactured for adults that weigh over 80 pounds and are at least 4 foot 9 inches. Placing a child in a seat belt too soon, this can cause serious injury and or death. Small children sit too low in the vehicle seat, causing the seatbelt to lay over the child's neck and abdomen. When can my child come out of a booster seat? There is a 5-step test to check when the child is ready to use only a lap shoulder belt. Their knees bend comfortably at the edge with their feet flat on the floor. Their back is flat against the back of the seat. The lap belt lies low on the hips at the top of the thighs. The shoulder belt crosses on the collarbone, and the teen or tween can stay seated like this for the entire ride. Do you have missiles in your vehicle? A missile is any object in your vehicle that can fly around and strike you or your passenger during a rapid stop, crash, or rollover. Remember to use trunks, cargo straps, nets, and even seatbelts to secure the items. Vehicle airbags. If my vehicle is equipped with airbags, do I still need to wear my seatbelt? Yes, airbags were designed to supplement seatbelts. Frontal airbags deploy at 200 miles per hour. Side airbags deploy at 500 miles per hour. Can I install my child's car seat next to a vehicle airbag? It depends on your car seat manufacturer's and your vehicle manufacturer's recommendation. Never a rear-facing car seat in front of an active frontal airbag. Where do I install my car seat? Recommendation: center back seat only. If it is safe and secure install is possible. The traffic inside your vehicle works well with a center install if you can use this installation method in the center easily. It is not unsafe to install your car seat in the outboard side positions. Seatbelt or latch. To most vehicles older than September 2002 do not have a latch. You will need to use the seatbelt for installation. Latch stands for lower anchors and tethers for children. Latch anchors are located where the back of the seat and the seat of the seat come together. Latch takes the place of the seatbelt for installation. To locate the latch positions in your vehicle, refer to the owner's manual. Can I use both the seatbelt and the latch system to install the car seat? Only if both the vehicle and car seat manufacturer allow you to use both. Use either the seatbelt or the latch method. Limited testing by car seat manufacturers. It is not known how all car seats will react on impact with both seatbelt and latch used for installation. What is the tether? Tether is located in different areas of the vehicle. Tether locations can be found in the vehicle's owner's manual. Tether is used in conjunction with the seatbelt or the latch. All forward-facing seats should be installed with tether. Check the car seat manual for details. Again, we want to remind you about heat stroke in cars. Heat stroke happens when the internal temperature of the body becomes too high, greater than 104 degrees. So if the outside temperature is 80 degrees and you leave your child in the car for 60 minutes, the inside of the car heats up to 123 degrees. The smaller body size of children means that they heat up faster than adults. It only takes about 10 minutes for the temperature inside a car to increase by 20 degrees. Act. Avoid heat stroke related injury and death by never leaving your child alone in a car. And make sure to keep your car locked when you're not in it. C. Create reminders by putting something in the back of your car next to your child that is needed at your final destination, such as a purse, a shoe, or a cell phone. T. Take action. If you see a child, a pet, or someone in distress alone in a hot car, call 911. Thank you.